I get asked a lot, when you started Buchanan in 2005, was your vision, was it your dream to grow this large company over in 40 employees and spanning across Western North Carolina? And no, it wasn't. I'll be honest with you. It was really a desire to start a small company really focused on quality, integrity, and professionalism, family oriented. And we're so fortunate that we have grown because we've acquired a great team. We've been fortunate to work with great clients, and the clients is really what has provided the growth. So we have continued to grow to meet the client needs and demands that we've had, and we're just fortunate that we've been surrounded with a great team.
The 20th anniversary of Buchanan Construction means a ton to me in terms of celebrating our team. All of that is a very important part of what makes Buchanan different and what cultivates, I think, what is a great culture that most companies simply don't have.
What really sets Buchanan apart is our team. We have multiple estimators and interior designers on staff. They work just for us. We don't outsource any of that typically. We have a great group of construction managers, project managers, and superintendents through our commercial division as well. Those guys have so much experience. They know so much. They've seen so much. And I think that the way that they interact, the way that they help each other, the family atmosphere that we have, I really believe that's what makes a difference. Our clients understand that they may interact with one person in our organization more often than anyone else, but they understand that it's not that one person. There's a full team behind them.
So we really want to show appreciation to our staff. We like to take them on outings regularly. We celebrate accomplishments. A few things that we do are, outings to Topgolf with everyone. We take everyone and their families to Dollywood every year, and we have events and dinners, and we just really like spending that time with our staff, getting to know their families, because not only do we appreciate our staff, but we know that part of the success that our staff brings begins at home. So we also really appreciate the family that's standing behind each one of our staff members.
So there are a few homes that really are highlights of our 20-year career. So one of those homes is the Williams Carolina Lodge. So a number of years ago, I heard that Coach Williams had bought a lot down in Berwick Downs, which is adjacent to Kenmere Country Club, where we built a lot of homes. And I thought, man, what can I do to be able to get in front of Coach Williams and so we can build this home? So we put all our effort in, and I remember getting the call from the architect, hey, the Williams have decided and picked you out of 8 builders to build their home here in Berwick Downs. And man, I just pulled over and I'm like, this is pretty cool. It was a huge honor, and to be able to work with them and just really build a home that they loved, and really it went flawlessly. Another one of my favorite homes is, without question, it's the 2020 Southern Living Idea House that we built in the Ramble. I think the part for me that was the most rewarding is just really how involved we were. Every week there were several hours we would meet, discuss very detailed aspects of that home. We only had about 8 or 9 months to build that home, so time was of the essence, and that home is very unique. It's designed to be an old farmhouse that was added on to over time, and so it looks like they built a smaller home, did all these additions, which evolved, and which is very similar to the house I grew up in as a kid. And we're just so grateful for our partnership with Southern Living. It's a group of builders throughout the Southeast and architects, designers that formed this very talented group, and it was just a delight and honor to be a part of that group and build that home.
So I'd say one of our kind of highest profile projects was Bauhaus South Slope Townhomes, which is a project right next to McCormick Field. It's kind of a well-known project. It was designed by Peter Alvarez of MHA Works. A beautifully designed townhouse project, and quite honestly, it was one of the most difficult projects that I'm very proud of our team for accomplishing. One of our former superintendents, who's now retired, Charles Williams, and then Jared Carlton, were kind of really the guys that made that thing go, and very proud of that project and the way that it came out.
When I think about Buchanan in the next 20 years, I just see us extending our family. I think all of our employees are, again, more than employees. They're part of our family, and just growing and continuing to provide just personalized special care to all of our clients, and getting our names out there and meeting more people and growing more friendships.